unboxing today. First unboxing video. This came today and it certainly made my day better. Let's see. Paper goods. List of all the stuff that I got. Now this is the best-selling list. Bestseller list. I have other parts that are coming. But I'm so happy that these came today. So, some of these are for the castle, and then some of these are for a different project that I want to work on. So all these white pieces are going to be for the castle that I'm still working on. And then these road plates right here, as well as these 16 by 16 are going to be used for other projects. So yes, I'm very happy about that. And thank you for sharing this unboxing with me. Hope you have a great day.